introduced by my father-in-law to upland bird hunting,
Sure.
quail. He actually ran a quail plantation down in Central Florida for years, and he invited me to come along and go on quail hunts with him and my brothers-in-law. And man, it was just like I enjoyed it. Everything about it. I enjoyed the hunting, but more than anything else, I loved watching really good trained dogs work in the field. That
Yeah,
was just a thrill for me, and
that's
it
an art.
still is, absolutely. So I got started with that, and then later on, I started. Hank Williams Jr. actually took me on my first turkey hunt many years ago, and I was hooked immediately on that. Loved to turkey hunt.
Yeah.
Shortly thereafter, a good friend of mine, who is an avid hunter, took me on my first duck hunt up in Missouri, uh, very close to the Mississippi River. And I was hooked on that as well. Went on pheasant hunts with him as well in South Dakota for every single year for probably the last 10 or 12 years. I've been in South Dakota for opening day of pheasant season.